Guys, I've had my own challenges with chicken. From time to time, I would fry the chicken. I would probably fry it in a way where the inside of it wasn't cooked. And it took me time to understand that I was probably using too high of a temperature, right? Um, for any of you guys who's having the same difficulty that I've had frying chicken, it took me probably, I don't know, a year or two with you know, gaining the experience how to make chicken wings the right way. You don't need batter. You don't need flour. You can make the best chicken wings just like these stores does. These high class restaurants, or even Domino's or Flyers or Wings. You can do it, and it's very very simple. You're gonna laugh at this. Um, I'm the type of person that like to make my own spice. For instance, green onions, garlic, and stuff like that. I blend that with a little bit of Maggi cubes. I make my own. You can either cut the chicken wings or you can leave them whole. Some people don't like the winglets. Me personally, I've had them either way. I've sold them either way, and people love my chicken wings. And it's very simple. It's probably so simple you may have bypassed it. Okay. This little video, I started laughing with my partner in our food truck, and I'm like, you know what? I struggled all these years looking for the best batter, the eggs and the flour and the baking soda, the baking powder. Believe it or not, all you need to do is just buy you some chicken wings, okay? If you choose to cut it up, you can make one chicken wing and make it, say, if you have a restaurant or a food truck, you can actually make, I guess, one chicken wing turn into two chicken wings. That's how it is, unfortunately. And you just put it in your spice or your sofrito or your ibis or your whatever it is that you use for spice, but just let it, say, for instance, leave it in the fridge overnight, okay? You don't have to use the salt, the pepper, just whatever spice that you like. You think, I mean, you look, if you like curry chicken wings, you just use a curry spice. If you like garlic, you do a garlic. You like barbecue, you do a barbecue. It's up to you. One thing, if you guys notice, when I do these videos as a chef, I don't tell people like this is the spice you need to use, 2 ounces of this and 2 ounces of that. You know what? If you blend peppers and green onions and garlic together, just don't add salt, and you let that stuff soak in there. You can worry about the salt when you make your sauce, for instance. What I do, I make my own spice. Like I said, a little Maggi cube. I can say if I have scallions, I have garlic, I have whatever it is, parsley. I just blend it all together. And then I soak my chicken wings in that specific spice overnight. Okay? Again, you can use your own. From there, just say you wake up in the morning and you decide to go fry some chicken wings. Here's the secret. You're probably gonna laugh at this, okay? The secret to making the best chicken wings. It's not the fry and then the bake and then the dry rack and then the parchment paper. Ladies and gentlemen, drum roll. No, it's not. The secret to making the best fried chicken, in this case wings, is to slow fry your chicken wings. In America, we have this engraved in our brain that 350 degrees fries everything. It is not true. That is not a fact. If you fried chicken breast in 350 degrees, the outside would cook before the inside. Seriously. Or you would end up splitting the chicken breast, and then do like a two-stage fry, a fry twice. You know what I'm saying? Fry your chicken wings at the lowest temperature that you can. I don't do temperatures with people. I don't know what kind of stove you're using, what type of oven you're using, whether it's a Dutch oven, whether it's a gas oven. Every oven has its own way of getting hotter, or every thermostat or whatever it is that thermometer that you use may have a different way of calculating the temperature. What I always recommend, when your oil comes to a boil, start at say about 280 degrees. If the oil starts to boil, put your chicken wings in there. Cover it up. Take your time. Let the chicken wings boil in oil. Okay? Let it boil. Don't rush this 350 thing, because 350 degrees don't work when you are cooking raw meat. It does not work. What it does is it makes it where the outside is cooked but the inside is not cooked. Just imagine, guys, you hand the customer a chicken, a piece of a chicken, whatever it is, thigh, breast, or wing, and then they split it open. There's blood on the inside. No, no. Again, go back to the lowest boiling temperature. Okay, you can boil oil at 212 degrees, believe it or not. All right. Well, let's go to 280. When you start to boil, you notice the molecules start to move. Just add one chicken wing in there and see how it behaves. If it doesn't behave the way you think, just add another 10 degrees to it. Do not use 350 to boil chicken wings, okay? Because it doesn't work. You're gonna get an outside cook, and the inside's gonna be raw. Slowly cook your chicken wings, and then put a lid on it. When that chicken wings starts to cook on the inside, it is going to float up to the surface, and then just grab one, go from there. Do not use this high temperature thing that everybody's so, oh, I fry at 350. No, that does not work. You can try it with chicken breast, you can try it with chicken thighs, you can try it with drumsticks. Okay? Try my method. Leave me a comment, subscribe, and I guarantee you will have success. Use any sauce of your choice. After you're done, while the chicken is hot, you want to toss it in sauce. My favorite is buffalo wing sauce mixed with, guess what? Ragu sauce, spaghetti sauce, garlic. That's my favorite. You can do barbecue. You can do chipotle. You can do boom boom sauce, and you can do something of your own. That's fine. You could even toss it in salad dressing. You can do blue cheese, whichever. But remember to slow fry your chicken, especially chicken wings. And I will guarantee you won't need any batter. You won't need any salted batter, or that other stuff that fish fry stuff that they use that's full of sodium. Take my word for it, guys. This is John from Grab and Go Concessions. When you do this recipe, please leave me a comment. Remember to slow fry. Do not use 350 degrees to fry your chicken. Don't do it. That is a myth. I don't know. It's in our head for some reason. But you know what? By now you guys know I simplify things, and I guarantee you success if you follow the very instructions I just gave you guys. Okay. Alrighty, guys. If you like the video, subscribe, help out a little bit. And again, this is John from Grab and Go and Grab and Go Concessions. Bye bye now.